to release your emotion block. Day one training. What do we hold on fear? Have you ever something that scary happened to you and you just shrink? I mean, literally shrink. Like your body holding down like this, and your body's go, no, we are shutting down now. I totally been there, not just once. After my car accident, I couldn't even watch dashcam footage without my heart racing. Every time I tried to merge on the freeway, my brain got scream, we are going to crash again, even though nothing was happening. And there's other time as I was walking on the stairs, actually walking down the stairs, go to the office. I was minding my business. It was in the morning, and the man behind me tripped and rolled all the way down to the stair. And it was blood on the ground, and I was froze. I couldn't move, I couldn't think, and thank goodness that someone called the ambulance for him. But after that, every time I went downstairs, I had to hold on a little stair with little handle on the side, or hold on to the wall to walking down, because I'm worried I will trip and fall. And don't even get me started the car ride. Even I wasn't driving, I was convinced something bad might happen. My husband will be on the wheel, and I just can't sit in there. My just whole body tense up. But here's the weird part. It wasn't just about the car accident, right? It turned out to be a lot of our fear, stress, anxiety trace way back, like on childhood level back. Something we have experienced maybe around 5 years old, 10, or even 20 years ago, can be still stuck inside our body. What's that emotion block are? Think about like a pipe clog with a junk, and you want to feel free, but your emotions stuck. So the question for you, are you okay with that? Because if you are cool with it, not driving, not taking the stairs, or not live fully, or you can just go ahead and skip this the rest series. But you feel like, no, I got to overcome this. I want to do the things I want again. Then I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Welcome back. How can we untangle all those knots? Okay, so first thing, you are reading Untie Those Emotional Knots. I'm glad you are watching the second video instead of skipping the whole thing. But before I share the powerful way you can do this, here's the deal. Some of this will work immediately for you. Some will take a little practice, and some might just feel like super weird first. Just kind of like you go to the gym, you try to train your bicep or your abs. Sometimes it would require a couple sessions or maybe months to actually see the result. But energy, you can feel a sense a little difference. Now I want to introducing you the magical rub. I'm just kidding. I was going to say I'm selling a bottle of something, but it's just kidding. There's not a magical cream you can put it on and make it all of a sudden go away. If you're a magician or witch, maybe. Witch or wizard, maybe. But I am introducing is something that literally around you every single day. If you know in starting your self-healing journey, you might get introduced in these 5 elements with you: earth, water, fire, and air, space. Say, wait, Ruby, you are going to throw me some woo-woo stuff at me? Because if that's the case, I'm out of here. But hold on, did you take a look around your whole surrounding, your whole environment? Because you are actually living with those elements. So who's woo woo now? So today I'm going to show you exactly how this element going to shake off some of your emotion in your body. A lot of time I see it is on the chest, stomach, and throat, and how we can shake it out and feel lighter again. So stay tuned. We are getting all these different elements for you so you can try that all out.